My country people, I don bring una ogbonge pidgin news story. Make I yarn una 7 plane crash wey don shock people well for Nigeria. Number 7 na Sosoliso airline crash. December 10, 2005, Sosoliso airline with people wey pass 108 inside. Most of the people na students of Layola Jesuit College, Abuja. The plane crash land as e dey try to land for Port Harcourt Airport. And the reason wey make the plane take crash na poor runway light and poor airport design. Kechi Okuchi survived this crash. Number 6 na Bellevue airline crash. On October 22, 2005, Boeing 737 wey Bellevue airline dey operate crash land near Lagos, and about 107 people die for inside the crash. The reason wey make this plane take crash na bad weather. Number 5 na ADC airline crash. On November 7, 1996, a Boeing 727 wey ADC airline dey operate crash land for Ejiri near Lagos, killing all the 144 passengers inside. The plane dey travel from Port Harcourt dey go Lagos. This crash happen when the pilot dey try to avoid air accident with another plane. Number 4 na Dana airline crash. On the 3rd of June 2012, Dana airline crash land for residential area for inside Lagos as e kill 153 people wey dey inside. They also see 6 dead body of people for inside the house wey the plane hit. Number 3 na Lockheed C-130H Hercules crash. On September 26, 1992, one Hercules plane wey belongs to the Nigeria Air Force crash land as e kill 153 people for inside, and na engine failure na im cause this accident. 150 Nigerians, 5 Ghanaians, 1 Tanzanian, 1 Zimbabwean and 1 Ugandan died inside. Number 2 na Nigeria Airways crash. On January 22, 1973, this Boeing 707 chartered by Nigeria Airways to carry pilgrims from Jeddah to Lagos. The plane crash land for Kano Airport as e kill 176 people inside, and 25 people survived this crash. And the final destination for the plane na Lagos, but because of bad weather, make am go Kano. Number 1 na McDonnell Douglas DC-8 Nigeria Airways. On the 11th of July 1991, this aircraft dey fly Hajj pilgrims from Jeddah to Sokoto for Nigeria Airways. The people dey crash land for inside Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, as e kill 261 people inside. The plane burst enter inside plane as e take off come crash land. Make the soul of the plenty people wey don die may dem rest in peace. Na Pidgin News Network be this. We dey yarn pidgin English, and na me MC Nehe na im dey yarn so.